Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Still locking your PC from the start menu every time? Here's a quick trick. In this video I'll show you how to create a simple shortcut on your desktop that locks your computer instantly. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop and right-click anywhere on an empty space. From the menu, select New, and then click on Shortcut. Now, you'll see a window asking for the location of the item. Here, type the command shown on your screen. Make sure you type it exactly the same, then click Next. Now give your shortcut a name. You can type something like lock, or anything you prefer. After that, click on Finish. And just like that, your shortcut is ready. If you double-click it now, your computer will lock instantly. But let's make it look more professional. Right-click on the shortcut you just created, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on Change icon. You might see a warning message, just click OK. Now you'll see a list of icons. Scroll through and choose a lock icon. Or click on Browse if you want to use a custom icon. Once selected, click Apply, and then click OK. Now your shortcut not only works perfectly, but also looks clean and easy to recognize. That's it for this video. If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.